Open the outer box of the outdoor unit. Check the product list. Lift out the outdoor unit. Place it on a tabletop and pad the bottom with items. Take out the main control box and wire controller for spare parts. Plug in the connecting wire terminals of the main controller and the outdoor unit. Plug in the connecting wire terminals of the main controller and line controller. Two blue connecting wires. Connect when installing the matching heating furnace. Don't need to connect for the time being. Connect DC12V red power cord. Connect DC12V black power cord. Secure with electrical insulating tape. Connect the ground, yellow/green power cord. Connect AC115V white power cord. Connect AC115V black power cord. Turn on the AC and DC power supply. Open the operation panel. Set it to the cooling mode. The set temperature should be lower than the indoor temperature. Check the normal operation of the fan after starting the product. There is wind blowing out of the air outlet. Run for 5 minutes. Check the compressor for normal refrigeration. There's cold air blowing out of the air outlet. When the running test passes, then officially install it on the RV.